the elevator to Audi Dealership in Freehold, New Jersey. Too. Someone's here.
They paid 3 years ago. The same exact car. For $6,000 more.
It's taking a while. Let's see.
I want it to be 5s with basic features.
Let's go up to 2. Listen to the motor. Bun went out. Here too. Major shafts equipment. Let's get on to 1, door hose. We'll get our cab view going down. Here's your cab view. It's just a basic ThyssenKrupp elevator. Fixtures, ThyssenKrupp Signa 4. Key switches. We're gonna take another ride back up. See if anyone needs it. These new ThyssenKrupp elevators. Hi, going up?
Hello. How you doing?
Oh, I was just recording the elevator. It's a hobby.
Oh,
This is a nice dealership.
yeah, it is very
I think
nice.
this is the biggest Audi dealership around.
Yes. Yep.
You know when it was built?
3 years ago.
Oh, nice. Have a nice day.
You too.
I got the door. Here you guys go. Going down. This is a nice place. I'm just checking it out. It's nice.
It's huge.
Yeah, it's the biggest in the country, right?
Yes. The one in Texas is bigger by just a couple
Yeah.
square feet, but it's the same size.
This was built in like 2015, right? Because I remember seeing the construction of this place.
Yeah, 2015.
Yep.
It's only 3 years old. We just passed our anniversary.
I was just coming to look around and see what it's like because I've always wanted to look here.
Yeah,
Have a nice day, guys.
You too, man.
Thank you. There it goes.